Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking chili, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to be doing, we're going to add our ground beef into a Dutch oven. Then we're going to cook it and stir the meat until it is no longer pink. I'm also going to be adding in my onions and bell peppers as well as some garlic. Alright, so now I'm just going to season the ground beef. Be sure to check the description box for everything that I use as well as the measurements. And since this is the more tedious part of the video, I just want to take this time out to encourage somebody today. You may be feeling like this season in your life is really tough, you're feeling weary, but the Lord has told me to tell you to keep going, never stop praying, and to cast your cares upon Him because He does care for you. Alright guys, so back to the video. Alright, so now I'm going to drain some of this fat. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to return the ground beef to the pot. Then I'm going to be adding in my chili beans. And if you are not a beans in your chili type of person, just skip this step. And I was really surprised at how many people would prefer not to add beans to their chili. But, you know, to each their own. And now I'm going to be adding in a can of tomato sauce, crushed tomatoes, and a few pieces of chopped tomatoes. Completely optional, of course. Then I'm going to add in the liquid. Bring the chili to a boil. Then I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low and let it cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. So after about 35 minutes, the chili is all done. So easy to make and full of flavor. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a blessed week.